Today I will show you the amazing view and along with dangerous view. You can see this place is amazing and you can adventure at this place, and you can also see there is some fruits you can eat, and I'm also eat this uh, these fruits. This fruits named borai in Bangla, and its taste uh, uh, sour and sweet. This is amazing place, and you can also see one more trees here, and it is one of the most favorite place. It is one of the most favorite place, one which I prefer. You can see the plus view is dangerous, and you can see the deepness about 5 to approximately 10 meter. Sorry, uh, yeah, it's approximately 5 to 6 meter, and we go out from here, and you can see fisherman catches fish, and you also can hear the sound of river, and it looks amazing view. Here is the long beach, and huge it is a huge area.